So welcome back, guys. My name is Amlan, and in today's Make Launch Free campaign, we go about looking at how we can add stops to your Uber ride. Now, if you don't know what that means, it means like when you go for a long distance ride, it's quite evident that you may want to halt at certain places. So you don't really want to reach the destination, but you want to tell the driver, "Hey, wait here for a few minutes." Uber requests that you don't wait for more than 3 to 5 minutes because it would cause inconvenience to the drivers. But there's a way you can do all this from the app itself. And let's look at how this is done. So let's get started. So this is basically Android Power smartphone. I've already installed the Uber app and created an account just to save us some time. And this is basically the user interface which I think most of us are now familiar with. This is where you need to click where to put in the pickup and the drop locations. So I don't want to be picked up from PGI Enclave, rather want to be picked up from my home. And now is the most important part. Oh, I see we were off focus here. So now is the most important part, and that is like, should I put where to or should I do something else? So I need to put a stop, so I need to click on this plus sign. Please do see that here there are add a stop. The last wherever you put, that is basically nothing but your destination. So say I want to be initially taken to violet purple something. So yeah, so this is the violet purple thing, and say the next stop is my final destination. So that is Forum Sujana Mall. I can still keep on adding, and I can like wherever like you stop is the final stop. So after this I could have done more, and then like when I click on done, what then happens is like I will still get a drive and everything is like earlier, so I can actually go ahead and confirm this. But the driver knows that I now have a stop in the right, so like he will first take me to my first stop, wait there for 3 to 5 minutes, and then like I can go in to my final destination. So this is how you would be adding stops to your Uber ride. I believe this is something new and this should help you. So in case this helps, please do share this with your friends, families, social circles on WhatsApp, FB, Twitter, and social media. That would mean so much to us. Please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you keep getting notifications as we make more of this and other basic tutorials. All of this so that, like the people who are not having technology like we do, will also understand knowing how to use it, because finally it's a wonderful world where all need to know small, small things. Thank you so much. God bless and have a great Sunday.